Hey guys, these next two videos are dedicated to you. Peace.
Here we go.
Hey, come on, Bree.
Here we go.
Get it.
Oh.
Woo! Where to go? Where to go? Where to go? Where to go? Oh my God! Look at that! Oh, so close!
I'm like a pro though. It's on now.
Okay.
Ready?
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh!
I fell.
Hole number, where is it? 10. Okay. You ready? You ready?
4.
Woo! Look at that!
What is that?
Look at that go! Yeah!
Oh.
Bree, that rocked. Here we go.
Ready?
Yep, let's go. Show them what you made of.
That was for you, Hayden.
Whoa!
Oh. Where'd it go?
There it is.
Yeah.
Right there.
See, we can golf too. It's no big deal. Final score.
Here's the final scores. You can't really see them.
Right here. Look at that. Okay, right down here. They
Bree's
got
the winner.
49. I'm a winner. But Rory's the only one who got a hole in one. Right there.
We rock.
Holes in ones in that one right there.
Those don't count. Hole in one right there.
Sweet.
Way to go. Golfing rocks.